Today we're going to explain about the Express Telephony cloud phone system call logging software. You'll have been issued a call logging password and username to log into the hosted portal with. So you need to go to the website, type in the username and password for your particular customer administrator settings. Put your password in, sign in. Once you've signed in, you need to go to the sites setting and search for a site. In this case we're going to use the Express test site. Select it and then go straight to the call logging tab. On the call logging tab you'll see you've got company, site, user, business number and calling number to choose from. These are filters. You've also got to pick from different traffic types, or you can just pick all traffic, which is what we're going to do. Equally, you can pick outbound, inbound or any traffic. We'll pick any. And again, answered or unanswered or any, and we'll pick any just for the sake of it. And then search for any data that relates to that. As you can see, we then get a graph. And the graph will give you a list of all the information that you looked for, along with peaks and troughs based on minutes and the days of the month. So in this case we've got all traffic and two graphs. We can compare month by month, we can compare minutes or calls over those months, as you can see from the graph, and the days of the month. We can equally see the current month and last month from this tab as well. And we can look hourly, daily, bi-weekly, every 3 weeks or monthly. So quite comprehensive. Equally, you get a list in this particular case of the business number, the time of the call and the date, the duration, the calling number, the destination and the status of the call, either it's inbound, outbound, and it will show missed, etc. And you've obviously got more than one page of data depending on how many days you're actually looking at. The type of call, this will show you off net, on net, total for those, inbound and outbound totals, answered and unanswered totals as a percentage, and as a number of calls and number of minutes. So that's quite useful as well. On top of that, you can list the top 10. That could be calling numbers, destinations, international calls. Obviously we don't have any of those on this particular data. Mobile calls and national calls. And once we've selected all that data and we've analysed it and want to do more with it, we can export it into a CSV file, which is what we'll do now. And we can save it anywhere we like. Realistically, it could be Dropbox, or it could be on your desktop. It could be anywhere, basically. Okay, so that's the call logging software. It's that simple. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, and very useful if you're trying to find out what calls were made specifically. And won't cost it, obviously, but it's quite useful.